Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another LeetCode video. Today we are solving question 2958, length of the longest subarray with at most k frequency. This is a medium level question and it goes, you are given an integer array nums and an integer k. The frequency of an element x is the number of times it occurs in an array. An array is called good if the frequency of each element in this array is less than or equal to k. Return the length of the longest good subarray of nums. A subarray is a contiguous, non-empty sequence of elements within an array. So this is similar to the question we did yesterday. It is a subarray question. And we know that in subarray questions, there are n squared subarrays. So our worst runtime would be n squared. This is the worst case scenario. And this is the greedy solution. We could just check every subarray and return the one that matches the answer. Or we can use a sliding window technique like our answer yesterday, our sliding window technique, and we could solve this in n time. So what we would do is use a dictionary to store the frequencies of the numbers. We use 2 pointers, left and right. Right pointer will traverse the array and update frequencies as we go, and when a element x is greater than k, then we need to move L. So we will move L forward until x is not greater than k. And every time we iterate on a good array, we want to find the max of the answer and current good array length. So that means we're going to have a champion, which is just the max of all good arrays. So we can find the answer and then we will return champ. So the runtime is O of n, like we said, and the space time is O of n because of our dictionary. So let's get into the coding. Let me look up default because we want to use a default dictionary to solve this answer. Okay, this is so we want to use default dict. So our hash map is just default, and we'll just make the default value 0, and then our L pointer will start at 0. Our champion or answer will be 0. And yeah, so for our in range length of nums, we want to update its frequency in the hash map. So a hash map of nums r plus equal 1, and then while hash map nums r is greater than k, an array is called good if the frequency of each element is less than or equal to k. So yeah, so if it's greater than k, we need to move L. And we also want to make sure the left pointer never goes past the right pointer. So just do that. Let's take away this. Every time we iterate on a good array, we want to. Okay, so now we just want to find the max right minus plus 1. So our answer is just the max of our previous answer and the current length of the good array. Did I miss anything? Sliding window technique, dictionary, stored frequencies, 2 pointers. Traverse, file far. Okay. Let's check it out. Okay, so we use an integer, right? Like this. Nice. And then let's submit. Awesome. There is my solution. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me crack this question. I will see you in the next one. Peace out.